designed these Realme Buds Q with full curved body without any straight lines, which make the product truly stand out. In addition to the visual beauty of the earbuds, Levi also fully considered the perfect shape for perfect fit. The curve in Realme Buds Q perfectly fits the human ear canal and provides comfort and adequate firmness to the consumers. All in all, the design strikes a perfect balance between practicality and beauty. What's more, the Buds Q has been designed to perfectly fit the human ear. The curve is sharper at the top and blunter at the bottom. This makes sure that they stay comfortably fit in the ear canal to better isolate you from outside noise. Before we move ahead, I would like to talk and spend a few minutes to talk about some unique design facets of the Realme Buds Q. On opening the charging case, you will see a beautiful arc at the bottom. This arc is inspired by a water drop on the cobbles, which complements all the curves in the appearance. And inside this water drop, there is a small magnet that makes it easy to open and close. This ingenious design integrates the utility function with the elements of nature. The top, bottom, and side of the charging case are outlined in lines with different curvatures, providing an excellent feel. In addition to the appearance, we also have worked to provide excellent surface texture on the Buds Q. The surface of the charging case is treated with 9 micron meter spark process to achieve a frosted texture. The charging case furthermore delivers a nice touch and fingerprint readability. Since the design is inspired by nature, the colors ought to be superior and concise, presenting quite black and quite white that will give Buds Q a low-key and classic tonality. We consider ourselves as tech trendsetters, and we loved how the color Realme Yellow stole the hearts of our consumers. We have some good news for you. The trendy and stylish Realme Yellow will also appear on the Realme Buds Q. While we call it quite yellow on the Buds Q, we believe that this color will truly make you stand out. The Buds Q is built keeping in mind the requirement of a contemporary consumer. So in terms of the weight, which is something everyone is so concerned about, the Buds Q is as light as they look. The weight of a single bud is only 3.6 grams, which is much lighter than an A4 paper. Interestingly, sometimes I don't even feel that I'm wearing the buds all the time. In fact, even with the charging case, it only weighs about 35 grams. So whether it is placed in your pocket or a bag, Buds Q will never be a burden for you. Although given the design, Buds Q may look compact and delicate. Let me tell you that they offer an amazing battery life of a total of 20 hours of music playback. In fact, if you use it on an average for 3 hours per day, the earbuds need to be charged only once a week. Not just that, the Buds Q can also be connected to any device via Bluetooth 5. In fact, it comes with a support feature of auto-connecting when the charging case is opened. The side of the Buds Q also have a touch area to support multiple touch controls, such as switching music or going to the next track. When it comes to gaming, the Buds Q will definitely become a hit among consumers with super low latency gaming mode. The latency can be reduced to 119 milliseconds, and with the large 10 bass boost driver for audio quality, you can enjoy an immersive sound experience. Additionally, Buds Q also supports IPX4 water and sweat resistance, so you can wear them when doing sports without worries. Moreover, to showcase how the Buds Q stands up against the competition, we compare it to some of the most popular products in its segment. In terms of 3 key data points, that is sound quality, low latency, and battery life, Buds Q has a complete advantage. Of course, Buds Q will also support the Realme Link app, and users will be able to customize touch controls as per their convenience. In fact, if you look closely, you will see that there is a gaming mode button as well in the app now. Last but not the least, I would like to recap on a few highlights. The Realme Buds Q is the newest member of our earbuds product line that comes with a cobble-shaped design by Jose Levi, packed with features such as a lightweight design, long battery life, large drivers, and low latency. We are positive that the Buds Q will be the best entry-level in-ear TWS buds that you can buy.